बोरैबा आं सानाय तिनि बिथिंखौ जों माय बखा राखलांनाय जों सामलांनाय जों watching mobile. If you read one book, I refer you, you can win to me jibhe kata bolton pradala. Education is nothing. Attitude. Your own this thing. Clever. Because books help you only 50%. Mangnai. Jadi bukan kahamangkai, sebut kahamangkanai. Berbagai jenis siklarau, semai matangkai. My friend, this apply not only student, even in employee. Every people is same teacher, same colleague. One become good teacher, one become not so good teacher. Why? Because that teacher is study hard. Before he, of course, I cannot complete. They have got a lesson. Teacher, then who they blame? The government. Now, 10,000 teachers have already got lost of jobs for what? Because they have no training. They have not qualified. Unfortunately, why are people are not passing in the ICE exam? We have 37 lakhs people, 40 lakhs people in Tripura. Not only tribal, non-tribal also the same. Why we don't achieve in an exam, APC exam, with quality education not there. You go to Mizoram, you go to Nagaland, especially Manipur, every year 6 to 7% they achieve UPSC exam. Every year, that means in our state, hardly 1 or 2. There's a long gap. Every year there is exam. And twice exam in every year. UPSC exam. We cannot pass. This year only 1 or 2% will pass. This is lagging behind. We have shortage of good officers in Tripura. Why? Because of lack of education. Lack of quality education in our state. Who is responsible for that one? Who is responsible? Not ministers, not the government. Everyone is responsible. Otherwise, if you say in Tripura, I have seen in data, Tripura has the highest institution in school, college in school, maximum of all. You go to other state, every kilometer of a school, maybe in a school, maybe in school, maximum school have established in Tripura, but we don't have good quality education. Only getting more school, more teacher is not enough. We need quality education, quality teachers. Now Ecological school have 18 Ecological school have gone. If you survey in Tripura, education institution is the highest in Tripura, comparative to other states. But still, we are lagging quality education. Tanggul, जों साथारो जों मास्टारा दुस्रिनाय गार्जेना दुस्रिनाय अबंगिया बोरबा आं मा कोयो बनो आने सिग्ला सिग्लानो बिरो भाग राग मंगने परिश्रम मा खालायनाय आं जापानिस साइखारौगा जापानिस छात्ररौ बोरो समायदामा दंगो जों आमेरिकानि छात्रसो जों एक्सट्रा सामान खालायनाय अमाय मेन्टेलिटी अमाय जोंनि बखबखजों Makakanai. Sing Samankai. Thank you. What is wrong with her? But unfortunately, I must go. She didn't like from with the money, but I think there are some of them take it. Some of them take it. But I'll be Salay. We know how many have a reason. No, the time of we know how many have a Salay. Things are like nine. They cannot go on. बोले भाई आं सावो तिनि सिक्लारो नोंबो खारां दं गुरि उनाव साइमानो आंदा सारादिन गुरि दं बुइ पारा दं सारिनि गायजि बरराव स्वा दुंलायनाय खनि जालायनाय हाइ खालायनाय तांगोन वाइ जोंना आसाम बाथारि तुलासिगाव थांदि माने किल्ला थांदि all our young generation has spoiled. What is their future? Over दंखाखै जों बेलेखौनो बोखाबाय And Bukunam. But if I'm just to know we have good opportunity, There, 321 students, they are getting 1 lakh. We have always sanctioned for them. But 3 kudi rang thanga 3 kudi rang thanga. They will thanga. But our desire, tini aim and object tamba to the harun. And sikaro, isa, subida mantra. Ang free fact of the Jacob also. Ang double activity. BF students will have a Kalama, Kalagao. What is Ranghabu? 65,000, 80,000. Ranghabu become finite. Mobile for mobile. Laptop finite, Buta finite, re finite. Sure. Boy Poya. More Poya, Juta finite, Dam Juta finite, re finite. Yes, it's true. I'm aware. I'm doubt. Now you'll get 150,000 in account. Somebody may buy a bike. Motorcycle will buy. Mobile will buy. Shoes. Not for that, that money. That money not for your shoes. Not for your mobile. You have to get a good book, or you have to get the tuition fee, or you get a good book for competitive exam that you can read. That is, I doubt whether 50% will do or not. Bolivang Koine, there are just no. There are Monayo, not Kamsang Chapati, Naman Chapati. Without competition exam, nang sakri mania. Tak bora bangi thangka. Kende bangi thangka. Chini amalo, ena pass kene kari, dia pass kene kari, hai sakri mana tu. Asa competition kari. Nang saya nak juda amalo, Congress tiada amalo, offer bangi tu offer. Masa masa tu offer nau, angge juda offer mana. Tahu? Apa cerita? Bari bagai ni ro kam kama porane je jeng rang romani na par jagari use ma khaile jete mo nostong ya ja beng ya ja obanang koi nai ani sikla ro na ni ro kam poradi bhak rakung di kubuing di samu persum ma khaile terak nadi te kono there is no other way nung je samu khaile kai nung ke chamu nai nung bise kaplai na musu ang kai Bisa kering namu sangkai, bisa genang namu sangkai, entah maklumnya, nangkop sama maklumnya. Dia genang namu sangkai, apa asal lama tu mungkin mereka tu. Side by side, orang nangkop maklumnya, sini government help itu. But everybody want to become champion. But it have to put in action. Nangkop ni side tu, samung cuma kerja payah. Ani satu baca mansi 10 11 12 bukan cuma satu bukan macam ni baca no I'm telling myself I wake up 4 o'clock 5 o'clock in the morning early morning why you going to do it then kamu nak kerja ya ni amat sama ni sama sama nang baca di kantor foreigner kalau kaji foreigner ni tu sama Kini buang harap, angkut sitam mulai, ane besar tam mulai. Kau ibarat masuk sabun apa sebab tu mulai. Masih mahu lagi. That cannot be like that. You are already grown up, studying BA, MA, still you cannot wake up early morning. Why? We are studying early to bed, early to rise, make the men healthy and wise. No, it's a fact. Early to bed, early to rise, make the man wise, wealthy, healthy and wise. You know that. But still you can't practice. Why? Apa ni bagian so? Sun kusang mang ni, sun customer hay ni, sun extra activities sun sang mak hay ni. Like sun nang kapay ni, nang benang ni, nang hamari mana ni. Or koksay na hay ni. Betul hambai, so baik.